Yeah, so this is a 1972 shore bed Highlander trim package. 1 year only, 1972 was the Highlander trim package. It was in between the Custom and the Cheyenne. It was an option that they offered. It's kind of like the poor man's Cheyenne. My dad worked at GM and he always talked about, how cool the Highlander was. And then one day I was on Craigslist and I found a guy that was selling 2 C10s for sale. Went over there, bought both of them, and then one of them was a Highlander. And so this was the journey on building a Highlander truck. The challenges were finding all the original stuff for an actual Highlander because the seat covers are completely different. They're not like a Cheyenne, right? So you got to do your research on that, get online, try to figure out who still makes the fabric, and then find that source who is producing that fabric, call them, buy it, and then have someone that's going to manufacture that seat cover for you to make it look like a factory build. The C10 forum is always a good place to start. Get a profile. You can start looking through the forums and read all the stuff. I mean, these guys have been building trucks for years. I think another great place to start is like a restoration parts store, kind of like Classic Parts in Riverside, right? They do a great job. They have all the books you need. Their catalogs are really good about, giving the information. Another good tool that they also sell there is the assembly manual. And that assembly manual has every single thing that you need to know how these trucks are built back then. This thing's got like close to 6,000 miles on it since I restored it. I mean, I've driven it all over the US. It's not a full-on show truck where I'm trailing it because I want to enjoy this. I want to go see, America.